Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to learn how to write a message. Before we start, let me tell you, message is an informal type of writing. Here are some guidelines which are to be kept in mind before writing a message. First is, a message does not need an address. We don't require proper address for writing a message, as it is written informally and to someone who is either our friend or relative. Next is, the message must be put in a box. You know, you have done it in previous class. Message is always written in a box. Next, the key points are to be very brief and precise. Whatever you have to mention, it should be very precise and relevant. Message should be written in a reported speech in the third person. Okay? First, second, third person of pronoun you have studied. We write a message in third person. Mention date and time of writing the message. It has to be there. Include name of the person for whom the message is originally written. Obviously, you will write a name of the person to whom you are going to write a message. Contracted form of words like I'll, don't, etc. and abbreviations and symbols can also be used. We don't use such things in formal writing, but these can be used. These things can be used in message writing. Next, the choice of tenses could be present, past or future depending on the ideas or themes of the message. Now here is a format of message writing. As you can see, the message to be kept in a box. The first word to be written in the box is the word message. Left side, date and time. Then name of the person to whom you are going to write a message, addressee. Then comes your content, which has to be very precise and relevant. Then name of the sender, the name of the person who is writing a message. Now here is one topic of message writing. We will go through this topic, which is in the form of a dialogue. We will understand the content of the dialogue, understand it, and then write a message. So let's start. Read the given telephonic conversation between Amit's mother, Aarti, and Sunil. Sunil, hello. May I speak to Aman, please? Aarti, I'm sorry, he's not at home. May I know who is calling? Sunil says, I am Sunil, his classmate. Who is there? Aarti, I, Amit's mother. Sunil, Namaste auntie. Aarti says, Namaste, how are you? Sunil says, I am fine, auntie. Could you please convey my message to him? Aarti, sure, why not? Sunil says, please inform him that the science exam has been postponed from 6th December to 8th December, Saturday. Aarti, anything else? Sunil says, that's all, thank you. Aarti, okay, I'll inform him. As Amit has gone for his tuition and his mother has to leave for her kitty party, she leaves Sunil's message for him. Write his message on behalf of Aarti. So children, let us understand the content of the topic. Here is a conversation between Sunil and Aarti. Sunil calls Amit, who is not at home, and Aarti, who is Amit's mother, receives a call. Sunil tells Aarti to inform Amit that his science exam has been postponed from 6th December to 8th December, Saturday. Now, as Aarti also has to leave for her kitty party and Amit is already not at home. Now, what she does, she leaves a message for him. So this is the message she leaves. First of all, she draw a box, write a word message just to highlight it. Then date, time, then name of addressee. What is the name of addressee? Amit, to whom she is going to write a letter, her son. Sunil rang up to inform that your science exam has been postponed from 6 December to 8 December, Saturday. I am going to my kitty party. The keys are with Mona auntie. The food is lying in the fridge. Please take it out and eat it. See you at 8 p.m. in the evening. Mummy. The person who is writing a message. Children, you must read the topic not once, at least twice to understand its content. So let's read it once again. Sunil, hello. May I speak to Amit, please? Aarti. Amit's mother picks the phone. She says, I'm sorry, he's not at home. May I know who is calling? Sunil says, I'm Sunil, his classmate. Who is there? Aarti says, I am Amit's mother. She introduced herself to Sunil, says she is Amit's mother. Sunil wishes her Namaste auntie. Aarti again says, Namaste, how are you? Sunil says, I am fine auntie. Could you please convey my message to him? Aarti says, sure, why not? Sunil, please inform him that the science exam has been postponed from 6 December to 8 December, Saturday. Aarti, anything else? Sunil, that's all, thank you. Aarti says, okay, I'll inform him. As Amit has gone for his tuition class and his mother has to leave for her kitty party, she leaves Sunil's message for him.